Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat taking up a lot of spaces, a lot of storage on your mobile phone. So how do you go about it? So what you need to do is open your Snapchat. Once you open your Snapchat, the next thing you need to do, the first thing you need to do is click on this your profile. Once you click on your profile picture here, click on this your settings. Once you click on your settings, scroll down, you're going to see clear cache. You see your clear cache, click on your clear cache. Once you click on clear cache, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you wait for it. Note that clearing your cache, you can say successfully clearing your cache. Clearing your cache affect any of your thing on your Snapchat. All your memory is going to be intact. Another thing you can do is you can go and uninstall the Snapchat completely. If you uninstall the Snapchat, you can also re-download it, and which will not affect any of your memory. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.